Coronavirus continues to have a major impact on the markets and the global economy. For many, COVID-19 has threatened to undercut the very foundation of their retirement plans. Both financial and legal concerns are now front and center. Deborah Duncan caught up with Rod Yancy, Oath Planning's investment and estate planning attorney. Rod is also a popular radio show host and is a frequent speaker on estate planning topics throughout the community.
Rod, from a retirement planning perspective, what are some of the legal and financial implications of COVID-19?
Well, one thing that we've seen is more and more people are calling us every day from a legal perspective, wanting to get wills and trusts and healthcare documents and powers of attorney in order. And more people are saying that the COVID-19 has got them to take action, which is great because they've been procrastinating something that they knew they needed to get done.
So with that said, what should estate planning look like in your 40s, in your 50s, versus for someone with a few years of retirement?
Well, everybody needs an estate plan. It doesn't really matter how old you are. But as you near retirement, you are in what we call the retirement red zone. So 10 years before retirement, you can't afford to take a big loss in your investment accounts. And a lot of people have seen that the market has caused them to take a big loss. So whenever you're around retirement, you need to take action to protect your money and make sure that you give yourself the highest probability of meeting your goals in retirement.
So if you've taken a significant loss, can you still restore your wealth for retirement?
Yeah, it is possible. There's a lot of opportunities in this market. So there are opportunities for you to invest and make money. And with the right type of plan, taking into account your unique assets and your unique goals, then you can put a plan in place that's going to give you, again, that highest probability of getting where you want to go in retirement.
All right, so when it comes to a bear market, what strategies should be using to help grow your money while protecting it all at the same time?
Yeah, so bull markets, bear markets. Bear markets are when things are not looking too good, as we all know. And there are tools out there when you know where to look, where you can actually insure a portion of your retirement so that it protects it from losses and then gives it the possibility of index growth when the market goes up.
All right, if you've been doing your own financial planning, what can be some of the benefits of getting a professional to do that right now?
Well, one big benefit is knowing about those tools that I discussed. And I mean, let's face it, it's hard. If you don't work with thousands of different portfolios and people who have unique assets and unique goals every day, well, then it's really difficult to put together a portfolio, especially in this type of market environment. It's even more difficult if that portfolio is yours, because when you're working with your money, you're going to be emotional about it. So the people who really win at the financial game surround themselves with competent advisors who are able to take into account all of the factors needed so that they can give you the highest probability of meeting your goals.
All right, and that's what you and Oath Planning can do. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
For you at home, if you want to learn more about planning for the retirement you've been working towards, Rod has a great offer. Right now, for the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $250,000 or greater, he's offering a complimentary full-blown retirement plan just for you. This will allow Rod and his team to schedule a phone call, video call, or future in-office meeting so they can speak with you personally and provide you with a roadmap going forward. The number to call now is 713-903-3601. Again, that number, 713-903-3601.